Users are facing problems while charging in iPhone 15. California. Owners of the recently launched iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro Max have been pouring in complaints about their device overheating. According to users, the temperature of Apple's flagship phone reportedly rises to 47 degrees Celsius during fast charging, and the phone feels quite hot to the touch without a case. In a post on X, formerly Twitter, 9to5Mac reporter Ian Zilbow said that his iPhone 15 Pro Max felt quite warm while on fast charging. Apple first introduced fast charging in the iPhone 8 in 2017. Using which users can charge the battery up to 50% in about 30 minutes. To meet the new legal requirements of the European Union, Apple has replaced its dedicated charging cable in the iPhone 15 with a USB-C charger. Ian Zilbow reported that the problem was worse between 25 and 60% of the battery in fast charging. After charging the battery to 70%, the temperature drops significantly. Still, it was not comfortable to hold in hands.